I'm recording this video in May of 2023, and this is current information about getting your visa extension in Thailand. I've been through the process recently in both Bangkok and Chiang Mai, and I'll walk you through where to go and what to do in both places. The short version of my advice would be not to sweat it. Go to bed, get up early, and get there before they open with money and your passport. The forms are there, the passport photo service is there, the photocopy shop is there, everything is there. Bring 1900 baht for the fee and another 1000 for passport photos and lunch. Oh, and bring a book or a power bank so you can stream Netflix while you wait. You're gonna wait. If the process is that simple, why watch this video? Well, I'll explain what the visa extension is and isn't, why you might need it and why you might not want it. I'll show you the specifics of the Bangkok and Chiang Mai offices to remove a little bit of your uncertainty before you go there. And I'll tell you the likely reasons you'll be denied. Subscribe and follow me for weekly new videos as I explore the world and document my experiences of food, travel, and culture. The Thailand tourist visa extension allows you to add another 30 days to your stay here in Thailand on top of the 30 days you get when you enter at the airport. It costs 1900 baht or about 60 bucks, and you can get one at immigration offices in many major cities. I found a list of over 50 immigration offices here in Thailand online, so find the one nearest to you. The tourist visa extension is a great way to stay longer here in Thailand if you're enjoying the beaches, the food, or the legal weed a little too much. Or if you fell in love with a nice girl from Nana Plaza and you just can't bear leaving her side. Well, hopefully not that. The visa extension does not, however, allow you to exit and re-enter the country. If you leave early, the extension is no longer valid. You might consider spending another 100 bucks for a cheap round-trip ticket and e-visa to go and hang out in Vietnam for a couple days, then come back and get a new 30-day stamp. Getting the extension involves filling out Form TM7, making a copy of it and of your passport, and handing everything over with 1900 baht and a passport-sized photo. It goes in stages, so you wait in one line to have your forms checked, another one to turn them in, and maybe a third one to pay the fee. Immigration offices break for a hard lunch hour between noon and 1, so try to get this all done before lunchtime. Get there before they open the doors at 8:30. 8 would be a good time to arrive to get yourself oriented. Depending on the location, the photocopy shop may be open and someone there can help you start getting things going. You can also obviously get your passport photos ahead of time somewhere else and download and fill out Form TM7. I'll put the link in the description below. You can also make copies of your passport and Form TM7. But now you're just being an over-prepared nerd on the first day of school. You know the guy, sitting alone in the lunchroom with his Trapper Keeper and Star Wars lunchbox? Not cool. If you show up in the morning with nothing but money in your passport, you can still get out of there before lunchtime and have the afternoon free to go shopping for a new pair of elephant pants. The Bangkok immigration office is on the 3rd floor of IT Square Laska, this big, weird mall that only has one door open at 8 in the morning. The door is right across the street from the SRT Dark Red Line, which is the way I'd suggest going there. Either that or jump on a Grab bike. If you take a taxi or a Grab car at 8 a.m. during Bangkok rush hour, you may arrive to find very long lines. The escalators weren't even operating when I got there, so I walked up to the 3rd floor to find the place way in the back down this long hallway. Plenty of options in the mall if you end up stuck there for lunch. There's also an Amazon cafe on the bottom floor that gives you a Wi-Fi passcode on your receipt if you need crappy Wi-Fi. The Chiang Mai immigration office is right near the airport. I walked there from Old City and it only took me about 30 minutes. This place has all the draconian dread of a DMV. If you're there during lunch, walk down to the central Chiang Mai Airport Mall. There's a great food court on the lower level with 10 baht sushi. So why get the extension? Well, many digital nomads and expats are kind of halfway living in Thailand, and they'd rather avoid doing another visa run. Others get it for some pending event, like their application for a 1-year educational visa, which takes longer than 30 days to process. I did it because I was waiting on a new passport book, which also took longer than 30 days to arrive in the mail here in Chiang Mai. I was basically stuck in the country. Why not get the extension? Well, it'll cost you not only the 1900 baht, but a day or maybe two if you have to go back twice. Personally, that's time and money I'd rather put towards flying to Vietnam for the weekend to hang out with friends and then just come back and get another new 30-day stamp. Common reasons you might be denied will all have to do with your passport. If you don't have at least 6 months on your passport till it expires, they'll deny you automatically. If you don't have a couple of clean pages left in your passport, they'll probably deny you. You might also get denied because of the temperament of the immigration officer. I met a guy at Bangkok Immigration who said he was denied twice because they told him he had too much time left on his current visa stamp. When I asked about this, the officials told me that that was not a rule, so apparently he just got someone on their bad day. So go early and plan on going twice to allow for some unforeseen issue. Or skip all these headaches altogether, do a visa run, and go and see another country to visit another part of the world. Good luck and enjoy your time in Thailand. And please don't buy elephant pants. I hope you know I was kidding.